Good evening, I'm Liyana Hassanel. Welcome to Bizworld. The Plantation and Commodities Ministry will continue to strengthen its relationship with industry players and stakeholders. Its Minister Datuk Sri Johari Abdul Ghani said this will help to better understand issues at hand, policies that can expedite their development and other important matters.
Kita rasa kita nak engage dengan stakeholders. Pasal kita ni jadi facilitator kepada syarikat-syarikat yang besar-besar, kecil dan sederhana untuk mereka menjalankan perniagaan mereka dan supaya bila mereka berjaya, kerajaan juga dapat untung.
He was speaking to reporters after clocking in for his first day at the ministry. Johari said when a company is successful, the government will receive 3 benefits, namely taxes, job creation, and a boost to the country's economy. He also noted that the previous minister has done a good job analysing from the ministry's comprehensive website. The ringgit will likely return to the 4.30 to 4.50 range versus the US dollar by the first quarter of next year. The impact of the US Federal Reserve's anticipated rate cut will result in a favourable outcome for both the ringgit and regional currencies. According to Rakuten Trade, the ringgit will hover around the 4.60 to 4.65 range by year-end, as the US 10-year yield remains stubbornly high. It added that the Fed funds rate has increased from 0% to currently 5.5%. Hence, there is ample room for them to reduce. However, if they are aggressive in reducing their rates, there may be a possibility for the ringgit to return to the normal level of 4.30 to 4.40.
Dia orang campak adik saya dalam sungai tu, dia orang nampak adik saya menggelupur dalam tilam tu.
Hukuman gantung sampai mati dikenakan terhadap tertuduh kes bunuh sedangkan mayat mangsa tidak dijumpai.
Kat situlah saya baru perasan yang arwah ni diperangkap.
Memang tak ada. Adik saya dah tak ada di dunia ni. Tapi dia orang cuma dapat hukuman sebanyak 7 tahun.
Investor appetite within the Malaysian bond market rebounded in November after 3 months of net selling. According to RAM Rating Services, the rebound in investor appetite for emerging market bonds was fueled by growing bets that major global central banks will cut rates in the first half of next year. The overall net foreign inflow in November amounted to 5.4 billion ringgit, led by Malaysian government securities and government investment issues amounting to 5.6 billion ringgit. It added that the market assigned probability of a US rate cut on March next year rose to about 43% as of end of November, up from around 8% a month earlier. The better investor sentiment triggered a rally in regional bond markets, tracking price gains in the United States Treasury UST market. Oil prices fell more than 3% on Tuesday to their lowest level in 6 months. This on concerns of oversupply and after US economic data showed an unexpected rise in consumer prices. Brent crude futures for February settled down 3.7% to $73.2 a barrel, while US West Texas Intermediate crude futures for January slipped 3.8% to $68.6 a barrel. Analysts said negative sentiment towards the oil complex is still overpowering at the moment. Meanwhile, global oil demand growth is expected to slow down next year, with OPEC and the International Energy Agency split on the extent. And that's all the time we have for Bizworld. I'm Liyana Hassanel. Thank you for investing your time with us.